Hello everyone, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you how to fix two finger scroll not working on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to verify that you have enabled two finger scrolling option from the system settings. To check, click the Start menu, then click on Settings. On the system settings, click on Devices. On the left pane, find and click on Touchpad. Next, scroll down and find Scroll and Zoom section. Here it is. Under it, tick the box drag, two fingers to scroll. So make sure to check this option, then close the window. Check if the issue has been resolved. If not, try the next solution. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is opened, find and expand Human Interface Devices. Here it is. Now find HID Compliant Touchpad. This one. You need to update the driver from here. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. If you have a stable internet connection, select the first option, Search automatically for drivers. So it says here that the best drivers are already installed. Now, if you don't have an internet connection, you can select the second option, Browse my computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Next, select your driver, this one. Then click on Next button. This will update your driver. Once done, restart your laptop and check if the issue has been fixed. If you still experience the problem, go back to the Device Manager. Then expand Human Interface Devices again. Select HID Compliant Touchpad, and then go to Properties. Next, go to Driver tab. Then click the Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Once done, restart your laptop. This should fix the issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, try the next method. Go to the search bar and type in main.cpl. This is the best result. Click on it. The mouse properties window opens. Next, go to Pointers tab here. So change this option right here to Windows Default Extra Large. Then click on Apply and then the OK button. Then restart your laptop. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.